Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brianna. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a new product from BRYANA Hair and I'm super excited. So I got sent a new pony from them and her name is Bella and she is actually inspired by the Kim K picture, which I'll put right here. So they actually came out with this pony. Bella is a teardrop pony and it is so cute. They will be dropping Bella July 25th. Okay, so to go ahead and jump into it, this pony is actually for the top part. So Kim's hair is actually half up, half down. So we're gonna go ahead and part our hair half up, half down. So what I'm gonna do when I part my hair is I'm gonna take it from right here. So I'm gonna go here, kind of at a diagonal and meet at the top. And then I'm just gonna make sure to make this little pony at the top as clean as possible because that is what is gonna make this look just really nice and clean and almost pretty like natural. So I'm making sure to get all the bumps out. And I like to use 2 rubber bands when I use these ponies just because I feel like it makes it extra sturdy. So this is what we're dealing with right now with my hair half up, half down. So Miss Bella is going to help out with this top pony right here because it's just looking like a little palm tree. Okay, so I'm going to take this right here. This is the inside of Bella. This is what goes around the pony to make sure that it is like blended in with your hair. And then they do provide the 2 bobby pins, so we are going to use that to go ahead and pin the rest of the hair down. So to get started, you will need to grab the pony and then take this little clip right here and then our pin and then just put it right under the pony and make sure that you're pressing it up against so that it's pretty much like flat like this. And then take this side and wrap it in the back. And then with this piece of hair right here, what I'll do is I'll throw the pony to the side and then keep my hair in the front right here. And I will wrap it all the way around like this. And again, you want to make sure that you're keeping it as tight as possible. I can probably wrap this around like 1 more time. Okay, so I'm going to take this little piece of hair right here with the bobby pins that they provided. I'm going to just pin this down and into the pony just so that it's secure. And then I get the other one. Just get that in there so it's secure. Okay, so this is how the pony looks right now. It doesn't match my hair entirely. I feel like there's a little like dent at the top. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go over this with the iron. They don't advise you to heat style their ponies. You can go ahead and of course add hairspray here to make it look like more clean and sleek, but I'm not gonna add hairspray because I don't wanna add that product to my hair for the couple days I'm gonna wear my hair straight. So thank you so much to BRYANA Hair for sending me Bella. She's so cute. So Bella is actually launching July 25th in case you guys wanted to try it out. This video is up before that, but I just wanted to preview it to you guys so you guys can see what they're coming out with. She's super cute, really like fun, girly. I will go ahead and link insert name here's website and also their Instagram down below. I'll put their Instagram right here too so you guys can follow them on that as well. And thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. So definitely give me a thumbs up so I know that you guys liked it. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.